the camera, finally pulled the trigger and just did it. No regrets though. So for dinner, I want to try to make lobster rolls. I've never made them before, but I found this like ready to eat lobster meat at Whole Foods. So I don't think it should be that hard. I'm gonna do a vegetarian version using hearts of palm. These are rainforest friendly. Interesting. It said that I had to thaw these in the fridge like for 24 hours, but I forgot to do that. So we're just gonna do our best, I guess. Some big cabbage. That's so pretty. It literally feels like crab or like lobster. That's so interesting. Every time I film myself cooking, I always have to wipe the grease off my cameras. Even though I try really hard not to get them dirty, they just somehow always do. But I guess that's the price I pay for trying to film every single little thing.